So we will learn how to do a NEP correction. So this is week number 15 of 2021. In the week 15 of 21, it was written under the new edition of Admiralty charts to be published column, that is 2 weeks from now. The chart number 4044 is going to be a new edition. So as soon as this remark comes on your chart NTM, what you have to do is you take out the chart number 4044. The 4044 chart was a chart for Johor Strait, Malaysia. And write in big letters new edition published. That means this chart cannot be corrected from now on. So I have already intended for the chart and the new chart has been received. The first thing I have to do is I have to check what the chart supplier had sent. The chart supplier had given me corrected to notice to mariner 1873 of 2021, and the next thing I have to do is I should write down where I received the chart and on which date. I received at Port Klang on next thing I have to do is I have to check out whenever the new chart had been published. See, it is week number 17 of 21 when the new chart has been published. The 4044 is mentioned here and it has been written this chart remains affected by NTM 4755 temporary of 2019. That means still the TNP number 4755 is valid. If nothing is mentioned, that means all the TNP has been cancelled. So this chart is still affected by the old notice to mariner, that was a temporary and preliminary. So I will have to do it. Next comes basically how you maintain the chart or how you keep it. The first thing you have to do is should know that these are the places where your chart is more vulnerable. I'll advise you to intend for a 1 inch sellotape and paste the whole chart. So I'll be doing it later. This is how it should be done. The old chart you can see all the places where the charts are getting folded. It's better for you to tape it so this area won't get damaged. And you should remove this chart from your chart that you are using on board. You should remove it. Next comes I keep my charts in a horizontal way, so I'll write down the chart number because each time it will be easy for me to find out which chart it is. I'll be only writing it on both sides that I'll be keeping in a upward facing direction. Next I have to do is I'll open the chart, check for the edition. You can see the edition is correct. It is 2021 29th April, and it has been, since it is till 29th April and we are running in the month of May, all corrections are up to date. I'll be doing this later on, but I should be making it now. notice to mariner 4755 T bar 19 has to be done. The 4755 TNP, how to do it, you will be learning if you can watch the old videos about TNP correction that I had uploaded. So the correction that is to be done to this chart is this one. This correction I will be doing it on my chart, and then the chart will be up to date. Thank you.